Hey guys, coming to you from Long Radio in West Springfield and Hadley, Massachusetts. Today we have a 2018 GMC Acadia. We've just installed a set of safety lights. Up front, this has surface mount. You can also build these in if you would like, which we have done in the rear. The rear has built-in LED flashers, and the front is surface mount. We have LED flashing systems to meet any need that you may have. Built-in surface mount units in housings. We can do beacons, bars, anything that you need. Give us a call. Long Radio, West Springfield and Hadley, Massachusetts. The toys for your car people.